Good morning. Today is Tuesday, April 8th, 2025. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is an after video of Second Wind. The rings on the sail drives are split rings. There are two other zincs that I have noticed. One is a weld-on zinc that is on the starboard side. And then on the port side, there is a 2-bolt, smaller, about like that big, zinc that I'm going to get in the video, and I'll update that in the notes as well.